Hello, can I get a coffee, please?
Sure. What would you like? We have espresso, americano, latte, cappuccino, macchiato, and flat white.
Could you explain them, please?
Of course. Espresso is strong black coffee. Americano is espresso with hot water. Latte has more milk. Cappuccino has milk and foam. Macchiato is espresso with a little milk. Flat white is like a latte, but stronger.
I would like a cappuccino, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Anything else?
Yes, can I get sugar packets, a stirrer, and a cup sleeve, please? It's hot.
Sure. That will be £3 and 50 pence. Are you paying by card or in cash?
By card, please.
Thank you. Please tap your card.
Here you go. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.